When it comes to boosting curb appeal and increasing property value, few upgrades make as big of an impact as new siding. For homeowners in Clinton Township, fresh exterior siding does more than improve looks. It enhances energy efficiency, reduces maintenance needs, and makes your home more attractive to future buyers. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to invest wisely in your property, new siding is a smart and high-return upgrade. Instant boost in curb appeal. The first impression of a home starts with the exterior. Weathered, faded, or cracked siding can make even a well-maintained home appear old and neglected. Replacing it creates an instant transformation. New siding offers modern, updated appearance. Cleaner lines and stronger color contrast the look of a newer, updated property in competitive markets like Clinton Township. Curb appeal plays a big role in buyer interest. Real estate agents consistently note that homes with refreshed exteriors attract more showings, sell faster, and tend to bring higher offers. Even if you're not selling right away, your home's visual upgrade boosts neighborhood perception and overall pride of ownership. Higher property value. Exterior renovations typically bring excellent return on investment, and siding is one of the most reliable. Because it covers the largest surface area of the home, it has a noticeable impact on perceived quality and condition. New siding signals to buyers that the home has been well cared for. They won't need to take on major exterior repairs soon. The house is structurally protected and better insulated. This peace of mind often translates into stronger offers and a willingness to pay more. For Clinton Township homeowners, replacing outdated siding can help your home stand out in a crowded marketplace of similar properties. Energy efficiency improvements. Clinton Township experiences cold winters, warm summers, and plenty of seasonal moisture, all of which affect heating and cooling costs. Old siding can leave gaps and drafts that cause your HVAC system to work harder. New siding can help increase energy efficiency in several ways. Better insulation and weather sealing, reduced air leaks, less heat transfer between indoors and outdoors. Some modern siding options even include built-in insulation layers that improve comfort year-round. Buyers love energy-efficient homes, and lower utility bills are a real selling point that adds value beyond appearance alone. Reduced maintenance and longer lifespan. Many homeowners replace siding because they're tired of constant scraping, painting, or patching. Newer materials like vinyl, insulated vinyl, and engineered wood require far less upkeep than older wood or aluminum siding. Benefits include no painting or staining required, enhanced weather resistance, fade and moisture resistant color finishes, protection against insects and rot. Lower maintenance needs make your home more attractive to buyers who want move-in ready properties. It also saves you time and money while you still live in the home. Protection from the elements. Michigan weather can be tough on home exteriors. New siding provides a fresh, sealed barrier that protects the structure from moisture intrusion, mold, and long-term water damage. When a buyer sees updated siding, they also assume the interior envelope of the home is better protected, another reason it supports a higher sale price. A smart upgrade with lasting benefits. Whether you live in Clinton Township long-term or plan to sell in the next few years, new siding is one of the smartest exterior investments available. It improves aesthetics, increases efficiency, reduces repair worries, and significantly boosts the value of your home. Homeowners who refresh their siding often enjoy the upgrade throughout the time they live in their house and gain a financial advantage when it's time to list the property. From first impression to final sale price, new siding delivers results that homeowners can see and feel. If you're considering ways to increase your home's value and appearance, siding replacement is an upgrade that pays off today and in the future.